In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on the Home Depot website. If you want to spread out the cost of your purchase instead of paying everything at once, Home Depot gives you the option to use Affirm during checkout. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few minutes. To get started, browse the Home Depot website and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. As you shop, it's a good idea to double check details like product quantity, size, model, and delivery or pickup availability so you don't run into issues later. When you're ready, open your cart and review everything one more time to make sure your order is correct. Next, move forward to the checkout screen. This is where you'll enter the usual purchase details, such as shipping, pickup, or billing information, depending on the type of order you're placing. Take your time here because the information on this page needs to be accurate before you choose your payment method. Once you reach the payment section, look through the available payment options and select Affirm. This tells Home Depot that you want to use installment payments for your order. In many cases, choosing Affirm will open a separate pop-up window or redirect you briefly so you can complete the financing portion securely. In the Affirm window, you'll need to log into your existing Affirm account or create a new one if you haven't used the service before. Follow the prompts on the screen and make sure each detail is entered carefully. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can interrupt the process. After you're signed in, Affirm will show you the payment schedules available for your purchase. Review the options carefully so you understand how often you'll be charged and what the total cost will look like over time. Choose the payment schedule that works best for you, then confirm the transaction to continue. Once that's done, you'll be returned to Home Depot so the order can be finalized. Before you submit everything, give the checkout page one last review to make sure the order details and payment selection are correct. And that's it. That's how to pay with Affirm on the Home Depot website. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to complete your purchase and choose a payment plan that fits your budget.